Hi, this is Raj from ML Sportscars. In this video I'm going to talk about a system I haven't come across before on one of my cars, which is quite an unusual option, I think, on a 991. It's option 625, which is Porsche Entry Drive Keyless Go. So looking at the key, it's the same as any other 991 key, but I've noticed that the red light occasionally flashes even without pressing any buttons, whereas obviously the normal key doesn't do that, and that's because it's actually transmitting all the time. So you can actually, looking at the car, it also has this little bit here which normally the 991s don't normally have that. So the first thing to do is, obviously there's another difference, which is it has a little button here as well. So with the key in the proximity of the car, you can literally unlock it without pressing any of the buttons on the key. And also, looking at the inside, you then have, there's nowhere to put your key, so it doesn't go in a slot. There is like a fob already built into the car. So you just need the key in the car and you can put it there. You get in and then you just literally, as normal, put your foot on the brake and you can just turn it on. So that's how that side of it works. And then there is another special feature, which I'll show you at the front, which my mechanic showed me actually. So just with the key about your person, if you just wave across, it pulls it open. I'll do that again. It's a bit, sometimes it doesn't work. There we go. So it's got a proximity sensor built in somewhere here, which detects your hand, and that's only on these keyless cars. There we go. So it's quite handy. I know the McLarens have that on their doors and things, sort of like a haptic touch type thing, and these cars do it similar. And then I'm not sure if you, yes, if you press the button on the doors, it will lock it. So you don't actually, you could just have this in a pouch and not have it in the car. Oh, not have it in your hand. It can just be in your pocket in a pouch, and you can basically do everything you need with the car. Start it or get in, start it, even open the front boot as well. So that's a really nice system actually. And yeah, it's not necessarily something that you need, but it's a nice little added luxury. So I hope you've found that little insight into one of the rarer options interesting. Thanks for watching.